Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexi's World. Guess what? So today I'm going to be making salmon, alright? So here's my salmon. Alright. So I'm going to bake my salmon first, and then after I finish baking this salmon, I'm going to make a nice dressing. I'm going to use a mango, avocado, and lime, alright? I'm going to use this to make a topping for my salmon. Yeah, all right. So I'm going to introduce a new sauce. All right. So a friend of mine is actually selling this sauce. It's really good. Technically with this sauce you don't really need anything else. It's like all your seasoning is in one place. Most of it is like sweet peppers. So there's a green one. The green one is not really hot, as you can see the name and everything. I'm also going to put it in my description box. I'll put how to get it and everything, and it basically have everything in there. All right, and then this is the hot one. So the hot one is like with the red peppers. I'm gonna use the red one because I want to try the spicy and I like the color, so I'm gonna get that reddish look on my salmon. All right, and my description box will have everything about it. All right, well, before we get started, please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Send a comment and whatever, all right? Of course, here's my salmon, and this is also a healthy meal, all right? So basically, I have garlic powder. Like I use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I just put like a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. I use some dried thyme, paprika, and seasoned salt. All right, and I have them all here. All right, I'm going to actually add, so basically it's just the paste I'm making for this. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil to this. All right, just to get a nice pasty, right? And of course, you see I use olive oil, all right? So this, of course, is considered a healthy meal, all right? So I just mix it in and make a paste with it. And before I put the salmon here, I washed it up and everything, so it's all cleaned up, all right? So I'm going to use half of a tablespoon on the back. And this is the sauce, alright? To be honest, even if you don't want to use any other seasoning, you can just use this sauce without any other seasoning. You don't need to put black pepper, nothing. Everything is in here. Sometimes I'll just put it on the salmon or shrimp and just put it in the air fry just like that, alright? So So this is the front. I'm going to use a tablespoon of this hot sauce. Alright. And it have like lots, it have, you know, I'm not gonna tell you the ingredients actually. It have all the spices in here, alright? So I put a tablespoon, and this is going to marinate my salmon really well. I will give you the website, everything that you can order this, or you can contact me and I'll get it for you. So look what I did. This is what I did. If you like more, I can put more. I could smell it. It's really nice and spicy here. Even if you don't like a lot of spices, you can use it, or you can use the other one, the mild one. So that's my salmon. All right. Sometimes it's so easy, like all I do is just put this without any seasoning, no other seasoning or anything. I just add the seasoning and that's it. But I said I'm gonna put a description. I will put in my description more information on this sauce. Alright, so here's my salmon. It's all seasoned, very easy, shouldn't take you too long. I'm not air frying. I have my oven on 350. So I put some wax paper and I just put a little bit of the sauce. The remaining of the sauce I just put there. Alright, here's my salmon. As you can see, my salmon is ready. I'm gonna just put it in the oven now. Right. So that's the salmon. I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it bake for a bit, and then I'll put it on grill. All right. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna use this for my dressing on my salmon. All right. I'll make a nice little dressing for it. I'll use the mango, one mango, and an avocado. All right. Very simple, easy go. So as you see, I'm peeling my mango. So while my salmon is cooking, I'll just cut up my mango. So there's my mango. It's all done. I'm gonna check on my salmon and then I'll continue. Okay, everyone, as you see, I have my mangoes all cut up. So I'm gonna make like a little salad for my salmon. All right. So also I have just a little bit of so I just add it to the mango there. And I have my avocado. Okay. So basically this is I'm just gonna do the avocado in something different and then add the mangoes, okay? So I was gonna use lime, but I feel like the avocado needs lemon. All right, so I'll use lemon in this video. All right. So I have a half of a lemon. Of course, I'm saying lime because my plan was originally supposed to be lime, but I changed my mind because I find the lime is a bit dry. So I use half of a lemon here, okay? So this is my avocado in the lemon. And also the lemon keeps the avocado from going to that darkish brown. I'll add a little bit of salt. So I just added a tip of sea salt. Alright. And then I have parsley. I just add just a little bit parsley. And then I'm gonna add my mangoes, alright? So it have that sweet lemony taste. This is my salad that I made for the salmon, alright? And there we go. You could add a little tip of black pepper. That's by choice. I kind of like it just like this, alright? So I'll put this aside and then I'll bring out my salmon is finished. So I cook it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Alright, so here is my salmon, nice and moist. I cook it for about 20 minutes. And then I have my salad, mango avocado. I can here it is. So then I have some lemon. I will just add my lemon. So, there I am. Nice and healthy salmon, bit of avocado, mango paste, salad. I put a bit of salt. I put my parsley and everything. And it's all ready. So basically what you can also do, as I season up my salmon with this sauce that I got, it was you can use it on the side too, but this is the spicy one and this is the mild one, so it can also use on the fish. You don't have to cook, it can use without cooking, all right? So the spicy one makes with red pepper and the green one is with green peppers, all right? So they're both good. Of course, you can try it. See, I would try probably the mild one instead of the spicy one. And here we go. So my salmon is all done, all right? And thank you very much for watching my video. Please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel, and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you. And of course, it's healthy, all right? You don't have to use the mango. Of course, you can use something else, but I kind of like I wanted to try a mango avocado salad, all right? So there we go. Take care.